Chevy Cruz 2017. It says it's time to replace oil. I'm going to do that today. Here is the handle to pop the hood. It says we need to do it twice in order to open it. And need to pry with this bar here, like that. I need a 15mm wrench to drain the oil, which I already have purchased, and here is the filter that I will need to get. I didn't know what kind of filter it is, so I will need to go to AutoZone or O'Reilly and get new filter. Here I have 15mm wrench, and I am going to drain it into bucket while I go and look for filter. Here is going full. Wrench was slipping a little bit, but plug is still good. And luckily we have here star wrench, so I just need to be careful, or somebody, whoever changes this car's oil, to not to strip it. O-ring is good. To take the oil off, I'll need to use this tool to release it. Looks like this, adjustable, very helpful. AutoZone or any other store will have it. It's AC Delco filter. I hope I will find original. If not, filter is good to use any type as long as it fits. It's messy a little bit. I'm going to take this filter and compare it at AutoZone, because I thought that Chevy Cruz uses cartridge filter, but this is metal filter, and I will just make sure take it to the shop. Let's see, does O'Reilly have it? Okay, here we have one that was available model in 1113A. I had to get it because they didn't have others in stock. I hope this will work. I'm going to compare them quickly. They look same size, and this way is also same, so I got good one. The only thing we'll have to test is put it on a engine and see the threads. This is oil that I'm going to use, and I'm going to put some of this oil onto this rubber seal for easier installation without having friction. It's a little tight, or it doesn't go. Hopefully it will not be a problem. Well, it was just a little tough on the beginning, but it's going, and I will tie it all the way, not too tight, for easier take off later. That's it. Well, this time I had good rain because I was out shopping, and this is good. It was a little tight to begin with, so I'm not going to do it too much here. I will clean all oil around for easier check later. Is it leaking anywhere? Just in case. And we're done here. I'm ready to pour some oil in. This is not my car, so need to be careful to not to spill any. Capacity wise, I think that is 4.2. 2015 cruises are 4.2, so I'm gonna go 4 quarts, and then I will stop, measure, and see how much I need. Here we are. Hard to see, but if I shake it, you can see it's almost on one quart. And I'm gonna stop now, take the car off the ramps, measure, and see how much I need to eat. Now that I have car flat on the ground, I'm gonna see what level I have, and it will be hard a little bit because of new oil, but let's see. I can see it's up to here, half, so I'm gonna add a little bit more. It's probably the same like 2015 model to 4.2 quarts. I had 4, so I'll just add 0.2 and go from there. And I'll do about 0.2. Let's check one more time. It is here, and I need to go up to here, so just a little bit more, and I'll stop there. Added already some. This will be final check, and I hope this level will be good. And it is hard to see, but I can see it's right on top, and that's it. Close the cap. Now that everything is okay with oil, I don't know what the owner of the car will have to do, but I'm gonna put here the oil mileage and what the last time oil was changed. Actually, masking tape won't stick to plastic. I put it here on metal part with the oil mileage. Last oil change on 81,511. Like I said, owner can record it somewhere else, but that's all it takes to change oil on a Chevy Cruz 2017 1.4 Ecotech. One last thing that we have here is the oil life reset, and in order to do that here is menu button. We need to push that, and here will show remaining oil life. I already did that without recording, but I want to just show to anybody who wants to know. It is the menu button. Go through the options, and then when we come to oil life, and it goes from economy, trend, speed to this, and reset is check mark. On here is the button here. We press it, and when I reset it, looks like it's already 100%, so it will not do it. But when I push that button on the side, it will ask, do I want to do it or not? And when I had that choice, I said yes, and it came to 100%. So that is all about resetting oil life. Thank you.